All right, welcome to the video here. We are going to go over the 15-minute strategy, breakdown strategy for the week here. I am on vacation, guys, so I do have the camera turned off and you may hear some noise in the background. Fortunately, that's just how it is with children. So here's Friday's action. I already got the high and the low marked out. If you're unfamiliar with how the 15-minute breakdown strategy works, basically we are going to be targeting a 2.5 to 1 risk to reward. And what we're doing is we're waiting to let the high and the low form during 9:30 a.m. Eastern and 9:45 a.m. Eastern, so the first 15 minutes of the day. And whichever side it takes first, we'll take an entry long or short based on that. And the results, this is week 7, back testing or forward testing this. Currently 16 wins, 13 losers, $4,560 through 6 weeks. That's an average of $760 per week. So it's paying pretty well thus far. Let's go ahead and take a look at today. This is Friday's action. So as you can see here, the low is at 302. Never like it when the side that it takes is going directly into a whole number. So you can see we're tagged in right here on this push down. It immediately pushes all the way back up to 39. So with us only having a 15 handle stop, this is going to be a loser. So 15 handle loser today. So let's move back to Thursday's action and take a look there and see what we got there. And maybe Thursday offered us a little better. Honestly, I do not remember kind of how this week went on this strategy. It's one of those things, out of sight, out of mind type deal. So here's your Thursday open here, 9:30. So that's going to be the high. Let's go ahead and move this one up there. And where's going to be the low? 42. So the low thought I had that selected. Right there's the low. So I do remember yesterday because this was one that I actually messed up on. I had my order a little too high here. You can see how it tested the low, but it never took it. And then it went and it took the high here. So I accidentally got tagged in short here and got stopped out for a loser. But as you can see here, once it pushed through the highs, right there at 16, it pushed all the way up to 60. So from 16 to 60, it's going to be 34 handles there. Is that right? 34, 40, 50, yep. So on this case, we would have locked in 20 handles. So we would have, as soon as it pushed up into the 34 there, 30 handles, we would have locked in 20. Then it came back and stopped us out. So on Tuesday, that would have been a winner. I'm sorry, not Tuesday, Thursday. That is a winner of 20 handles. So we lost 15 handles there on Friday. And then we made 20 handles on Thursday. So let's pull on back into Wednesday and see what this action offered us. So here's going to be Wednesday. That's some news there at 8:30. So right there, 9:37, that's going to be our high. Let's mark that out. Let's find the low. So the low looks like it is right there at open. So right at open is the low. So what side do we take? We do not take the high first. We do take the low. So right here we're wicked in. We get tagged in there, trade down to 17. We're short from 22. Pushes back up to 43. So it pushed 21 handles back up into the range. So this would have been a loser right here on Wednesday. So we have a 15 handle loser on Friday, 20 handle winner Thursday, 15 handle loser on Wednesday there. So the week's not looking too great so far. Let's get back here and take a look at Tuesday and see what that ends up offering us. All right. Let's just get over here, find our time, mark this thing out, and see what we got. All right. So the open, right there, 932. Let's see what these are. So these are our highs. Really, we don't even need to mark out the low. We can see that it took the high. So we get long right there, 225.50 on the initial push up. This takes us to 260. So that's what 35 handles. We need 38. So it goes up to 260. It pulls back to 248. So would this have stopped us out? So that would have been no. So this would not have stopped us out. So we would have went straight to 271 there after that. And this would have been a 38 handle winner there on Tuesday. So that pretty much guarantees that we're going to finish the week in green. So we only got 15 more handles to risk for Monday. So we at least know that this strategy is going to have a green week. So let's go back to Monday and mark that out. Kind of see what Monday had to offer us here. I did take these trades this week. I took every one of them. And we took the winners, took the losers, just as we're supposed to do. So let's find that 930 candle. So right here. So that's our low. Let's see where the high would be. The high would be the high before 945. So right there. So let's just take this one right here and move that up. So what happened here? On the 945 candle, we're tagged in from 37. And this thing pulled back to 17. So it tagged us in right away, or 18 there. So that's 20 handles almost. So this would have tagged us in immediately and then pulled back for a loser. So that means that on Monday we lost 15 handles. So let's do some quick math here. So we lost 45 handles on the week and we made 58 handles. So that's 13 handles total that we are up. So not a huge week by any means. That is, what will that come out to be? $260 for the week. So a small winning week there, but a winning week nonetheless. So if we take that total and we add it to our 4,560 that we were already up, 4,560 plus 260. Let's see what that comes out to. So that's $4,820 through 7 weeks. So that means we are averaging $688 a week. So the weekly average took a little bit of a hit here on this week, but that's okay. At the end of the day, we are still green, right? So that's what really matters. So far we're averaging $688 a week. We came into this week with 16 winners and 13 losers. We had 3 losers and 2 winners this week. So that means now we are at 18 winners, 16 losers at this point on this strategy. So still trading right in line with what we expect based on the back testing. So there you have it for the 15-minute breakout breakdown strategy. If you guys are interested in trading futures, we do have the links in the description for Topstep, APEX, and Bulenox. And if you have not already, hit that like button, subscribe for me if you're not yet subscribed, and we will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.